Dating like a man is the solution. I know, ladies, some of you want to kill me now. I know that some of you are upset with the title of this video, but to be honest, you will love the content because I have coached so many women. They came to me and asked me, Alex, how can I really find love? And I know that this is your question. How can I get this guy that I really like to commit to me? And I know that this is also one of the questions that will pop up in your mind. And I have coached so many women, but also so many men since 2007. And I'm a man myself, so I know exactly how we date. So what does it mean? Men would come to me and they would ask me, Alex, I want to be able to be more charismatic. I want to be more confident. I want to learn how to talk to women, how to be able to attract women. When you ladies, you come to see me and you ask me, Alex, there is this specific guy, this one and nobody else. So you are putting all of your eggs in the same basket. That doesn't mean that you are not good. That doesn't mean that men are better than you. Of course, it's not the case. But what I want to say is, if you change your mind and you decide to date like a man, which means not sleeping around, not playing people, not love bombing, not ghosting. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about men wants to be, generally speaking, attractive. Men wants to know how to talk, how to get a number, how to kiss, how to flirt, how to challenge, and at the end of the day, how to build an amazing relationship. But they are not focusing on the relationship. They are focusing on every stages. So when I coach you, you come to me, you say, I want to meet a guy, or I want to commit to this guy, I want to make him fall in love with me. I will always teach you, how can you be more social? How can you go out there, talk to more men, and have multiple options? Meaning you need to play, that would be silly of me, but you need to play the Bachelorette. You know, the TV show? It's not the most intellectual show, but it is a very, very interesting show. Meaning, if you play the Bachelorette, you're the one that will decide which guy you want to pick. That will make you be more in control. Instead of choosing the guy, chasing, being needy, being available. This time you will date like a man. You will be in control, you will have options, and you will pick the right one. Not the one that makes you feel alive only because, oh, Alex, I love this guy. I feel so good with him. I'm so happy I met him. And 2 weeks later, he's ghosting you. He's disrespecting you. He's cheating on you. So it's not just how you feel. It's how do you see a possible future with that person. So it's not just in control. It's also will help you stay grounded and make the right choice. So ladies, once again, I know that this video could be a little bit misinterpreted, but the reality is this. If you date like a man, you will be able to have more options. You will be able to focus more on your needs, not what he wants. Because let's be honest, the moment you fall in love for a guy, you're changing your behavior. You're not yourself anymore. Before to do this video, this morning I was coaching an amazing woman who were asking me, Alex, what should I write? What should I say? I lost my spontaneity. And because you lose your spontaneity, you cannot attract the guy. So it's a vicious circle. And this vicious circle is bringing pain to you. This is not what I want. The good news is there is resources. There is help. There is exercises. There is tools. There is mindset. I have created a lot of gifts for you to join the community. It's free. You just have to enter your email. It's in the description box below. You will learn how to talk to a guy. You will learn how to socialize, how to get out of your comfort zone, how to understand a guy so he will commit. In other words, my specialty, how to make him see that you're the challenge. You are on a pedestal. If you refuse this mindset, if you refuse my gift right now, the only one thing that will happen is that you will believe that you're right. You will continue the same actions and you will end up being alone and lose your self-confidence because what you do based on the society is not bringing you the relationship you want. It's not bringing you any results. It will only increase your lack of understanding of the situation. And when we don't understand something, we suffer from it. That's the reason why I love my job. That's the reason why I want you to hit the like button and subscribe, because that's when I can really help you. That's when I can really assist you. If you want to be happy in your love life and find a good man, date like a man. Be in control. Be the one that will pick and choose. And remember, it's not only based on the emotions. Sometimes we feel like a fairy tale, but the reality is that this person is toxic. Sometimes we feel that we click because we enjoy the time together, but we cannot communicate. We cannot solve any problem. And it's not just for you ladies, because I was coaching also a man just right before to do this video. And he told me, Alex, she's the woman of my dream. I know her for 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, they broke up 4 times. 3 weeks, 4 times. I was like, there is something wrong here. I get it that you never felt like this for anyone else. I get it that you're in love with this woman. But if you cannot communicate and every time there is a problem, there is a breakup, good luck. That's not what I want for you. So go grab your free gift in the description box below. If you want to work with me, because I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, I'm a real coach. So I still do coaching, I will still help you. I will give you my best and you will find all the solutions, all the possibility on my website, FrenchRelationshipExpert.com. Since then, I hope I see you in the comments. You can ask me any question. I'll be there to respond to you. Okay? I will see you very soon, ladies. Take good care of you.